Hello, everyone. I'm John Arlott, your AI language tutor. On this video, you'll learn Spanish language with Nicobarese translation in simple and practical way. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your language skills, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started with today's lesson. The first one is lunes, Ranahi school. Martes, Inet van miércoles. Linway van jueves. Finen van viernes. Teniui van, you can also say like this, Juma. Sábado. Tenfuel van, you can also say like this, Sanajar. Domingo. Sinat van. If you like to learn languages, then definitely watch this video and share with your friends. Adiós a todos, amigos.